Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to enable Language Shop. Log into the backend. Now go to Storefront. Click on Add Domain. Copy the URL and paste it. Select the language. Select the currency. Select the snippet. Click Save. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.